G'day all, welcome back to Frostbite's G.I. Joe Repro. We're here today to look at some Star Wars figures. So recently I finished watching the Ahsoka series on Disney. I quite liked it, and I thought, hey, maybe I'll go and check out those Black Series figures. I don't really buy a lot of them, but yeah, thought I'd go and check out the Ahsoka ones, and found two in my local Zing. Zing for us, if you're international, is equivalent of GameStop, I believe. So yeah, I found these two. So we got the Sabine Wren and Ahsoka. So today I thought I'd open both of them, check them both out as figures, and maybe just see if we can find a favourite out of the two. I think it's probably just going to be close. They're both great figures and both great characters. But yeah, let's go. So first up, we'll open Ahsoka. So we'll pull you down here so you can see a little bit better. There we go. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoy the video today, don't be afraid to hit that like button. Lets me know that you are happy with the content. So I really do like the way that Hasbro has been putting the images on the side of the box, so they all line up when you put them next to each other. What I don't really like has been this sort of, like, I know there's plastic over the front of that, but yeah, I still like the plastic on the front. So yeah, but we'll be chucking that anyway, so it doesn't matter. So we take off that front screen. We have our usual do not place Ahsoka in your mouth and choke on figure piece of paper. So that's going to the bin. And we look at what we've got with her. So we've got the Ahsoka figure and we've got her two lightsabers. No other accessories, but that's fine. That's all she needs. Okay, that one's out, and that one's out. That part. Okay. So the Ahsoka figure itself just looks fantastic. Just the way that the clothes have been stylized on it. It has texture. It's not just some smooth, not done very well toy. It's got texture. Love all these silver highlights on the belt. Her gauntlets on her side with her gloves are great as well. And in particular, as you'd expect for Ahsoka, her face, like the paint on her face, is great. Super impressed with that. The hair, you can see that it has been done in two pieces on the back. So this line up here that looks like paint, it's actually that's masking the fact that that's a separate piece that's been placed on. It's cool, doesn't really matter at all. Just one of those quirky things. The head itself can turn funnily left or right, but not forwards and backwards. I don't know if that's a normal thing for Black Series, let me know. I know with the G.I. Joes that I usually deal with, usually it can just go omnidirectional, but maybe it's different for the Black Series. You can see on the back with her arms, you can see it's not a lot of give coming out. Back and forth's fine. Always very cognizant not to push these figures very far. because I've heard all the horror stories of parts snapping, limbs snapping, and quite frankly, I don't want that. We've got our usual articulation in the feet, left to right, not really back and forth. Oh, it is back and forth. There you go. Just got to give it a good push. Knees back and forth, no worries. This will look great with one of those stands that you see quite often now with the you know, the clear stands that hold the figure in the air. This would be the figure that you would want to be playing with that. Yeah, there we go. All in all, great looking figure. Super great purchase, in my opinion. Let's get those lightsabers in there. So the hands hold them well. There's no real slippage there, which is good. I have seen that with other action figures where then the hands really just aren't great in holding weapons. So yeah, all in all, great figure. I'm actually really impressed with it. Glad to add it to the collection. Okay, so we'll put her there. And let's have a look at Sabine. Not a massive Star Wars fan. I didn't even really know about Sabine until watching the Ahsoka series. So yeah, I'm a bit of a sucker for you know, good use of colours, and I found in the Ahsoka series that's what she represented to me, was, you know, not just a plain colour, you know, like a blue Mando or silver Mando or whatever. She actually had some nice colours on her, and I like that. Yeah, that rubbish can go. Don't need that anymore. Don't choke on Sabine Wren. Okay, so in this pack we're getting her lightsaber, we're getting 2 sidearms, the 2 side blasters, and we're getting her Mando helmet. As I said before, I really like just the little tinges of the purples, and on the arm you can see really beautiful blue there. But let's get her out. This looks like a figure that you would want to take care not to be losing pieces from. Okay, how is that held in? Why is that like that? No, I'm going to be very careful with that. I'm just going to cut this sucker out. I don't know why that's like that. Oh, geez, that shot out. That is hilarious. Okay. I'm sure someone watched me do that and thought, oh my god, you're cutting the packaging. Let's get this helmet out. Yep. Okay, let's just have a quick look. So we've got the helmet. Oh my god. The side comes down. That's excellent. always laugh with these kinds of packaging that you pretty much have to give birth to the figure to get it out. Oh, good. I don't know how. Like, does that go back in place? Let me know in the comments if you're a big Black Series collector, how you get these figures out, and also keep this in good enough shape that once you've looked at the figure, you can put this back in here and everything's okay. Because that seems like I've just munted that plastic to get it out. Okay. After that experience. Okay. So Sabine, love the purple hair. That's excellent. The blue pauldron, excellent. Just love the colours. These little tinges of different colours coming down, that's excellent. Love the little emblems on the shoulders. The gauntlets. I mean, look at the back of the gauntlets once the camera decides to focus. You've got little speckles of, like, I think it's filigree of just gold on there. You've got great detail on this gauntlet and the other one as well. You know, it's like you can see the buttons and everything on there. The face, the detail on the face, like Ahsoka, is excellent. I really like it. And she's of course got her side holsters, the little webbing system there. It's really great. Just Sabine's arms just literally just went up, no worries. Am I just being too precious? I am. I was too precious with it. Everything is fine. Really scares the crap out of me that just spending $40 on these figures and there's a possibility that those arms could just break off. Okay, so yeah, the figure itself is great. Let's get these side arms in. They don't appear to go in certain ones, which is excellent. No guesswork, just put them in. Let's get her helmet on. That's a bit loose, but that's okay, I suppose. And let's get this in. Okay. It's a great looking figure, great character, super impressed to add it to the collection. Joints are great on this one, but you know, I've got a feeling that that changes depending on which one you get. I'm gonna have a lot of fun displaying these, I think. I'll go great with my hologram Mando. So which one out of those two do you think is the best? Not character wise, just, you know, figure wise. Let me know in the comments. I can't go past the Sabine Wren. Like, she's got the side arms, the holster, and the sweet ass helmet. So yeah, really impressed with that. Thanks very much for joining me today. Really appreciate you watching my content. If there's anything that you would like me to review, open, purchase so you can have a look at it, just let me know in the comments. Did you enjoy the video today? Hit that like button. Sub if you're not subbed. That'd be great. But otherwise, thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.